Okay, working on a 2007 Mercedes E350 with a wiper motor failure. W211 series E350 4MATIC. I think they're roughly the same for a couple of years there. But if the wipers stop, this assembly is very expensive. It's hard to get just the motor. They want you to buy everything, the linkage and all that. But what happens is this little piece right here snaps, and do this through the camera. It sits right in here, and it holds this gear set in, and it breaks and it jams everything up. So we got this moving right here. But when this is removed, see how this starts to back out? It holds it in place. So what I do is I pull the piece out, weld it back together, and then pop it back into place instead of spending a few $100s on it. The cap comes off pretty easy. Just these little connectors right here. Pop them off, pull the cap off, and you can see your motor. But check that out before you go wasting all the money, and see if that's what your issue is. Like I said, 2007 Mercedes E350 4MATIC seems to be the culprit. This is not the first one I've done. Done a couple of these like that. You know, with the welding, so you get someone to do it, it's a $50 repair and some time, as opposed to several hundred for this motor.